Hey guys, assalamualaikum. It's Energy. That's me, DJ from TNT. And since you guys have been loving the Drinks Man episodes with the punch and the milkshakes, he promised you all a special milkshake last milkshake video. So this time he's going to show us what it is he's going to whip up.
Real special. You can see it.
Yeah, let's see what he's going to do. It's pretty easy actually, pretty good.
Alright guys, so this is a patented recipe and I'm going to share with you guys on Jenna G's channel just because you guys are so great.
That makes sense. Totally makes sense.
We love the subscribers, we love the commenters. Basic ingredients for the milkshake. Milk extra cold, stick it in your freezer for about 15-20 minutes. It's a chocolate ice cream we're going with today. Chocolate syrup, whipped cream as last time, and today you're gonna get a chocolate Oreo milkshake. So one of the tricks is this: you put the Oreos in the freezer for a few hours. Cold, everything cold milkshake. Simple. We're going again. Using the glass, we use the glass to get average of how much milk we're using. I'm a very cool milk in the freezer for a while, not frozen. So we fill it up about halfway. Get that in there. Then we go in with chocolate ice cream. Whoa. 2 hearty scoops. This time it's only 2, right? I will show you why. Booyah. A little bit of this inside going here too is a chocolate Oreo. Damn, super chocolatey. Then we have the Oreos. This is a 4-pack. I think it's about perfect. So what are you gonna do?
Check it out. The question.
Yeah.
You need to chop that up before.
No, I just break it in half.
Okay.
Caveman style.
Just checking, you know.
So 1, 2. Watch yourself. 3.
All 4?
You're paying 3.5. I'll show you why. Right, 3.5. Put back one in the pack for now. Dice it there. Stick this on. Go and get a little low. Make sure everything is set. You know, we gotta go with 3. Remember, we have the frozen glass. Remember this trick, right, guys? You be as crazy or as light it as possible, however you want it. It's gonna be chocolatey. All this goodness in there. Whoa. You've taken a little bit of this ice cream here. About a half a scoop. Stick that in there. What Oreo have inside here? Remember, I have a half of Oreo remain.
Why just sprinkle that on top of the whipped cream?
Well, I will go and have touch that a little bit. Oops. Whipped cream time. Working rituals for it.
You have to sound like that too.
Then we go in with the sprinkling of the Oreos. Like it, place it so you don't let it fall off.
Check that.
Make no mess on the counter, big wipe it after. Wipe up after.
Who wipe it up? The wipe?
Alright guys, I'm just about even it for some even pieces throughout.
Not good there. Yeah, put some crumbs now.
Last little touch.
Check this out.
Now for the taste test.
Boom.
Taste
It's just
test.
looking too pretty.
Taste
Take
test.
one.
There's a level of chocolate.
Oh my god.
Chocolate Oreo milkshake.
Tasting the Oreos in it. Ooh.
Say if you're watching, show Kristen this video.
Oh, this is real good.
Move your hand. Move your hand.
That is super, super, super good.
But I'm a gal taste naggy, oh gosh. You know how long me make one of that? Oh gosh, oh
This
gosh.
is really good.
Phone ringing, but we go in tasting first.
Phone ringing. We have no time to answer the phone because this is going down.
You're tasting the Oreo?
That is good, eh?
Perfect.
Yum.
I'm not normally a fan of chocolate ice cream, but like this,
Real good.
let me see your call now. Alright guys, simple as could be, chocolate Oreo milkshake. You ever thought it was that simple? Freeze your Oreos, extra cold milk, chocolate ice cream, whipped cream. Simple, cost you next to nothing, because you can keep on making this over and over. You can put more Oreos if you want, but I think that 3.5 is just
That
something
was good,
perfect.
yeah.
If you want to put more on your real love Oreos, you can go ahead and do it. And also, I could show you the cookies and cream version of it if you want to see. But that's maybe for our next video. But very simple, it is delicious. Trust me, your kids, maybe your girlfriend, your boyfriend, anybody will love this. It's my special surprise. You don't need to go and spend any money, stay home and do it. Real best. She want to take it again. We gotta share that half and half. So Jenna G, like is your favorite so far, girl? I thought you don't like chocolate ice cream.
But it isn't so good. I like the Oreos in it. So you'll have to try this one. For sure, if you are chocolate lovers, be sure to try it out, okay?
Send some pics.
Yes, and some pics. It was really, really, really nice. So you know he's gonna continue with his punch. He still have the avocado punch he promised you all. So we didn't forget. We just got we didn't really get a good avocado yet. Or according to some people, the zaboka. We didn't get it good yet. A good one yet.
Zabocado.
So you know we didn't forget you all of that. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this one. Try it out. Let us know what you think. And yeah, milkshakes continued.
Come on, a little something.